When you activate the handover module in the system, as shown in the previous video, you can also enable an additional basic lead generation feature. If an operator is unable to respond to the user's request in a timely manner, the chatbot will immediately suggest a follow-up to the user by recording their information. To accomplish this, simply go to the Teach area of the platform and fill out the relevant questions related to lead generation. At this precise point, simply relaunch the training and then update the bot. After the update, run a test by positioning the demo page on the right side of the screen and open the handover app. Request an operator, but do not take the request. Wait for the necessary and appropriate time to properly start the lead generation. At this particular point in time, the chatbot will then begin asking the user for the required information for a future follow-up and engagement. The handover app will automatically flag the lead for you to manage efficiently. Remember that you can always send the lead information directly to your customer relationship management system.